Alam po ninyo, bawat mortgage application, unique po yan. Kasi iba-iba yung profile ng applicants. Iba yung income, yung credit score, yung down payment, yung kautangan, at yung property na tinitingnan nila. Now, me as a licensed mortgage broker, I have access to so many lenders katulad ng mga bangko, credit unions, trust companies, private lenders, at monolines. And each of these lender po, may iba-iba silang criteria kung anong gusto nilang makita sa mortgage application. Ngayon, kung kayo ay nagbigay kayo ng application sa akin, nire-review ko po ito at saka pinapackage ko, emphasizing on the strong points para pag-submit po natin sa lender, very big chance na ma-approve yung mortgage application ninyo. Take note na hindi po kayo nagbabayad ng professional fee ko. Yung lender po ang nagbabayad niyan. So you have the services of a professional at no cost to you. So kung kailangan po niyo ng tulong sa inyong mortgage application para makabili po kayo ng bahay, please feel free to reach out to me. Ito po si Maylin Lim, ang inyong Pinoy Mortgage Broker.